All right, this is part one on restoring 5 Sears and Roper tractors. So this is basically just the introduction of them. I'm going to have lots of videos on these after this one. So basically I'm going to just walk you through what they are and what exactly I'm going to do with them. So this first one here is a 1970 SS12. It has the wrong floorboards on it. They're supposed to be the ones that kind of swoop up by the fenders. So it's going to get the proper floorboards on it. It'll get tore all the way down to the frame, down to bare metal, and full repaint and everything. I'll show you the paint color here in a couple minutes. This is going to be a really nice one once it's done. I don't think I really need to do a whole lot on decals because this dash one looks pretty nice. Definitely going to do something different with that one, repaint it. And the hood decals or the ones on the side of the hood are already nice, so that's kind of a bonus. I'm going to replace the front tires with some that look more factory looking, and reupholster a different white seat for it so it looks original. This one next to it is kind of a mismatch of stuff. It's a 73 ST16. Right now it has a Predator 301 10 horsepower engine in it, but the plan is with this one is it's going to get turned into like a 71 or 72 SS14 or SS15. So it's going to also get them other floorboards that go up. Possibly a Briggs engine like it's supposed to have. A white seat and also be painted the same blue as this one is or will be. And then here's more of a mess. So this was my old Sears tractor forklift that got tore apart when I made the new forklift. So basically this is mostly an ST16. But then again, the whole rear frame and everything is a 67 Suburban 10. And so that's what it is. And I have a lot of Suburban 10 parts already. So I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to end up doing with that. But the steering column was cut off and made shorter already. So not 100% sure yet on that. But we'll figure that out when the time comes. This one here is a jumbled up mess of everything. This is basically a custom parts put together type of build. So it has first of all, an SS16 gas tank, which is going to be a hydraulic reservoir, a hydraulic oil filter that's in the hydro drive type spot, very heavy duty motors welded to the back of the frame. They're 4-hole, but I'm going to take these hubs off and I'm going to drill it out and make it a 5-hole. It has a custom made front frame with a wheel drive, so it'll fit all the attachments in the front. Basically the plan is with this is I got all the parts already have them or have them ordered for this. It's going to have power steering. Here's the unit for that, and possibly a power hydraulic 3-point hitch. So this is going to be a white and black like Roper, like AT&T or something like that. It's the plan with this one. And then I guess this is just miscellaneous parts. This was the rear end that was in that. And I guess just miscellaneous parts for the two of these. The front frame for that. And then in here, I'll show you the 5th one, which is another custom build from miscellaneous parts. Turn the wrong light on. Well, the fender's here, so that's the color of blue I'm going to use. And then the rest of the parts are here. So this is a 1970 Hydrotrack 12. So what'll be kind of cool is I showed you the 70 SS12 out there. And then here's the 70 Hydrotrack to go with it. So that's a custom blue that I had mixed up. So the plan is to have them two right next to each other. So yeah, that is the plan. And more coming soon.